I-NPA ithi inkantolo ihlehlisele licala ukuze ikwazi ukuthola amakheli abasolwa okuyiwona njengoba ifike kwelinye ikheli kukhiyiwe.
Amongst the issues that are outstanding in terms of investigation is their profiles. So we will have much information once they have been profiled, their addresses being verified. So the court has given us until Thursday the 7th to finalize such investigations.
Umphakathi usola umama walomfanyana ngokuzama amaqhinga okugwema ukubhekana naleli cala.
I think that the mother is actually pushing her own motive by somebody not, or the investigating officers not finding a proper address for her, because I think that they are playing on this, but the residents are very angry and frustrated. They want no bail.
Kusenjalo kuhlehliselwe umhlaziyi 18 ukulalelwa kwesicelo sebheyili ecaleni likaGerhardus Lombard oneminyaka engu-59 ubudala oboshwe ngesonto eledlule osolwa ngokuhlukumeza izingane ngemuva kokutholakala enemfanekiso ekhombisa ukunukubezwa kwezingane ngokocansi engaphezu kuka-56,000.
We believe that more charges will indicate more people that are involved, because the charges that the accused is faced with, that of possession and distribution of pornography, cannot be handled by one person. There are obviously more people involved, and our interest as the community is, where were these videos taken? Where are these children? How were these videos taken? How many children were victimized because of this?
Izinhlangano ezilwela umphakathi zithi uhulumeni angenze okwanele ukuvikela abantu besifazane kanye nezingane.
Seeing the way these cases are being handled, it means that the police are not doing what they're supposed to do. The state is not assisting us at all. But as women of this country, we will continue to march, continue to make petitions, continue to fight for our kids and our women.
Uphenyo luyaqhubeka kanti kulindeleke ukuba umsolwa athweswe amanye amacala.